All mammals.
So when you see those jaguars eating the leaves and then tripping their balls off, rolling around on their back, what do you think is happening there? You've seen those videos,
Yeah,
I'm sure.
I've seen those videos. Well, for one thing,
Fascinating, right?
they're eating Banisteriopsis, right? Which is the source of the MAO inhibitors.
Oh, okay, right.
And I don't know what to make of that. It certainly does seem like some kind of a catnip for them,
And
causes an altered state for
MAO inhibitors in and of themselves, they produce some sort of a psychedelic experience?
They can.